Hi there, and for this video, we're going to make a comparison between two software management tools, namely Notion and Jira. Now before starting this video, we would like to invite you to try out Jira for free in the description down below, so if you are so inclined, you are free to try it out. Now, on with the video. Let's start off with Notion. Notion is more of a collaborative knowledge database tool. Think of it more like Confluence in a way, because this is what it looks like in the Team Spaces sample. We have tasks here, we have some templates here, and of course, it is also powered by AI. But something to note about Notion is it doesn't have too much offline capabilities, so it lacks flexibility in that aspect. And further on the flexibility, there are only a handful of integrations between third-party tools that Notion has. We see Jira here as well, we see GitHub, we see Trello. It has most of the essentials, but if you want to compare the integrations with something like Jira, there are a lot of integrations that you can use. In fact, that is Jira's strongest point, the sheer number of options that you have for integration. Now going back to Notion, we also have automations, and here are the different triggers that you can choose from. They are categorized by dropdowns. It's all pretty basic automation functions. With Jira, however, this is what a board would normally look like for the marketing and business sample. These are for the Scrum boards, and here we have development tools. And if we look at our automation capabilities, there is a wide variety of options on how to specify automation, especially when it comes to issue tracking. Here are some of the conditions that we have, and we have an extensive list of features as well here on Jira. So while you can say that Notion has a simpler looking UI and has most of the essentials, it does not seem as in-depth as what Jira has. I suppose it might be better with collaborative databases such as with Confluence, but if we are looking for more in-depth automation and issue tracking, basically a more agile tool and with a wide variety of options on how to assign the teams and your custom integration with third-party tools, Jira is most definitely superior. So let's look at pricing. Starting with Notion, it seems they also have free for 10 users, and these are the features down below. These are the highlighted features, and with their $10 plan, this is what we get. Now with their business plan, it seems to be just a few dollars cheaper than with, let's say, with Jira's premium plan, but what's included in the plan isn't all that substantial. This is all that it has. With Jira's premium plan, there is a lot more that you can access. There is a lot of value for the price. Yes, we have a 20% off for yearly billing and only a 17% off with Jira. However, the standard plan rates and the premium rate as well adjust based on your team size. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a collaborative knowledge database, Notion seems fine. However, if you want to have unlimited integration with different tools, being able to program and troubleshoot all the issues very quickly, complete with software development as well, Jira is definitely where to go. Let's say you have a team of 100, these prices are not bad at all. In fact, even with a standard plan, you already have a lot more than this plus plan that we have over here at Notion. Once again, let me just remind, if you want to try Jira out for free, we have a link in the description down below. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.